Discover the secret to how I'm making $30,000 a month with dropship.io, the ultimate e-commerce tool. I had always dreamt of starting my own online business, but didn't know where to begin. That was until I discovered dropship.io, an innovative e-commerce tool that promised to help me achieve my dreams. I started by using the product search feature to find profitable products that were in high demand. I then optimized my pricing strategy using the pricing intelligence feature and found reliable suppliers who could fulfill my orders efficiently. As my business grew, I began using the multi-channel selling feature to expand my customer base and increase my sales. I also automated my dropshipping process using dropship.io's automation feature, which freed up my time to focus on growing my business. Within just a few months, my business had taken off. I was making $30,000 a month and had a loyal customer base that loved my products.